Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show the integration between two ServiceNow instances. So here are the simple steps. What you need to do is you need to go to the inbound under System Web Services. You need to click on the new button. It will show you the window like this. You need to give the name incident integration. So you need to select the table name. I'm taking table name as an incident here, and you need to click on the create button. Once you click on the create button, it will create one transform map. Let me show you. And it will create one staging table. So what you need to do, you need to click on the auto map matching fields. It will map the all the fields that is exist in the incident table to our staging table that is newly created by this SOAP API. So I will save this. One more thing, it will also generate one visual. So I will come back here. I will reload this form. This is my first instance. So I will type here incident integration. If you see here, it is automatically generated one incident integration link here in the left navigation bar. So what I will do is I will copy this visual. I will go in my second instance. I will type here SOAP message. I will click on this. I will create new. I will give the name something integration incident. I will use that visual that I had copied from that instance, and I will give the basic authentication. So basic authentication is the dev 57672. I already have this basic authentication, so I will use this. I will click on the save button. So once I click on the save button, it will show us one URL, generate sample SOAP message. I will click on this. It will generate visual XML. So what I need to do, it will also create 7 functions. I need to use insert function. Here is the insert function. I will click on this. I will use here basic authentications like dev 5, and I will save this. Once you save this, no need to select mid server. So once you save this, you need to click on the auto generate variables. It will auto generate the variables, the mapping between two instances, dev32332 and the dev57. It will automatically generate the mapping. After that, you need to click on the preview script usage. Once you click on this preview script usage, it will generate one script for you. Before copying this script, what we can do is we can perform the simple testing here so that there is no need to come back and to retest. So for the testing purpose, we will we will go down and we will take some value, like we will take description as testing and click on the test button. If you see here, the response is 200 and it has generated one incident ticket. So let me check, let me come here and let me check that incident is generated or not. So we have given short description, something like testing. Let me check. It is open just now, so it means our integration is successful. And if we see here, it has generated one created one incident ticket with description testing. Now the next step is, suppose you want to use this integration in your business rule. So I think we already copied that script. We need to go here, business rule. We already copied that script. Suppose the requirement is when the incident is created in dev 32332, you need to create the same incident in your 57672. So you can do ServiceNow to service integration, and you can do ServiceNow to any other third-party tool integration as well. So what you need to do, it is taking some time to load. So you need to copy that script and you need to paste here. When it will run, you need to define a table name, incident. It is little slow. So you need to go to the advanced. You need to decide when it will run. So after, you need to copy your code here, and what you need to do, you need to make this variables dynamic. So how we will do dynamic is, suppose we need to send the short description. We will search short description and we will change here current dot short underscore description. So once we will save this, now we are going to create a new incident. So this is our new ticket, and we need to define a short description. Where is the short description field? Let me search short description. I don't have short description. Let me take some other field here. Let me take description. So I will change here in my script. I will take current dot description, and I will save this, and I will give here testing soft message. So we also need to fill the mandatory fields here. Once I will save this, so when to run is insert after. Once we will save this, so it will automatically generate one incident ticket here. Right now it is 76 just created now. If you see here, testing soft message. Hope you like my video. Please comment and share this video. Thank you.